Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to our first video. Today, we are on a small lake close to home, and we're gonna go for some bluegills and crappies.
Let's lay off.
Yeah! Okay, so I'm using a 25-inch ultralight tickle stick, and I'm using like a pink, gold, and purple tungsten jig, and tipped it with a wax worm.
Hey guys, today I'm using a pickle stick, 27 light, it says right on the front there, and a little tungsten. Let me slow that down for you. A little tungsten with a wax worm.
Alright, so Brady caught one fish, marking a few, but not what we want right now, so until it gets later, we're gonna go do some hole hopping, and hopefully we catch some fish. See you on the GoPro. Got a big red mark on me. Oh, I got tapped. He tapped me. He's still down there. Hopefully. Barely. There's another one. Nice mark. There you go. Got him. Got him. Yo, little gill. Yo. Yo, at least it's something. Second fish of the day. There you go. Okay, looks like we're marking a little bit at the bottom. Hopefully we can catch them. Been a slow start, but hopefully it can pick up. Okay, so my GoPro died, so I'm going to bring this big camera out there because we're just stacked on the panfish. Okay, see you guys out there.
And there's crappie like right under the hole. I should
Yo, we got fish flopping everywhere. I mean, you got one here, there, here. I mean,
Andrew, you got one left over at this hole too.
yeah, I know. They're everywhere. Yeah. Nice. Holy. Yeah, but I switched to plastic so I could keep on my gloves, but they don't like that, apparently, so I'm going back to live bait.
Nice. Oh, that's a nice one. Nice one. Looks like it.
Not
Chase me. Got him. Tiny one. What is happening? You must have to hand line them, guys. That's what happens when the line freezes. Tiny little thing. Now I got line all over the place too.
Well, made it back at home, and I didn't get it on video, but my phone went in the lake and fell through the hole. So for this video, there will not be a thumbnail, but I just want to say thank you so much for watching till the end. Subscribe for hunting and fishing videos, and I'll see you in the next one.